Welcome to Fluxray Electronics. In this video series, we are going to solve every single question on HDL bit step by step. My goal is to make this concept clear and precise so that you can improve your logical thinking and problem solving skills. We will cover all the questions in this series, explaining the logic behind each solution, the approach we take, and why it works. This is where you will not only get the right answer but also understand how to think critically when solving any HDL problem. First, we need to visit HDLBit website. I will put link in the description, but you can also search on HDLBit on your web browser. This platform has many questions that help you practice digital design using hardware description language. Before watching the videos, I will recommend that you try solving this problem yourself first. The best way to learn is by practicing, making mistakes and finding solution on your own. Then watch my explanation to compare your approach and improve your understanding. If you need actual code for reference, don't worry. I will upload all the solution to my blog. You can find them there and use them as a guide. I will also put this link of my blog in description. But again, I strongly suggest trying the problem yourself before checking the solution. So, if you want to master a GL concept, develop strong logical thinking, and improve your problem solving skill, make sure to subscribe and follow the series. Let's learn together and solve every HDL bit question one by one. See you in next video.